Liebherr crawler cranes achieve high performance in deep foundation work on numerous job sites throughout the world. Additionally, Liebherr offers a complete range of piling and drilling machines for the most diverse fields of application, fulfilling the highest demands when installing sheet pile walls, steel piles, cast-in-place piles, large diameter drilled piles, raked piles on land, or on water, as well as very deep drilled piles. Liebherr offers the ideal machine for any kind of application. In the German city of Etterschlag, a Liebherr piling and drilling machine, LRB 250, is installing a sheet pile wall on hard ground for a road tunnel which is currently under construction. The LRB 250 is capable of lifting and clamping the 22-meter-long sheet piles without the help of any additional craneage. Even the alignment of the sheet piles is carried out by the leader, thus requiring no costly devices like templates. The high-performance vibrator and a pull-down winch ensure powerful vibrating and active pressing are achieved for speedy progress of the piling work on site. The vibrator is powered by the basic machine and controlled from the operator's cab, saving fuel and personnel. The shipyard in Stralsund, Germany is being extended. The required driven piles of 35 meters in length are being installed by a Liebherr piling and drilling machine LRB 250 fitted with a hydraulic hammer. During the piling operation, the rated energy is precisely determined. This is a very important factor in the bearing capacity of the driven piles. The control unit of the hydraulic hammer is equipped with a monitoring system which records data such as rated energy, lifting height, penetration, and piling depth. These details can be printed out in the operator's cab immediately. In the Swiss city of Bar, a multi-family apartment house is under construction. The cast-in-place piles necessary for the foundation of this building are being installed by a Liebherr piling and drilling machine LRB 250, pipes of 600 millimeters in diameter and 20 meters in length, which are closed at the lower end and driven into the ground by a hydraulic hammer. Again, the hydraulic hammer is powered by the basic machine's hydraulic system. After completion of the piling procedure, a reinforcement cage is inserted into the pipe, which in turn is filled with concrete. Since the reinforcement cage and the concrete bucket are lifted by the auxiliary line of the piling machine, no extra crane is needed for this task. Finally, a vibrator tears the pipe out of the ground again. Thus, the concrete is compressed and the quality of the pile is increased. At Zurich Airport, the present capacity has become insufficient, and thus an additional terminal is to be built. For this important project, a Liebherr piling and drilling machine LRB 250 with Kelly drilling equipment and casing oscillator is installing large diameter drilled piles, 1,500 millimeters in diameter and 35 meters in depth. Casing oscillators are needed for driving long casings into the ground, since they deliver high torque and high pull and push forces. Moreover, the robust construction of the LRB 250 assures high stability during the drilling procedure. Thanks to the high engine power of the basic machine, the casing oscillator and drilling equipment can be powered without an additional power pack, and moreover, the machine offers high working speeds. Thus, the Liebherr drilling and piling machine LRB 250 makes an important contribution to the completion of this project. Besides being highly efficient, Liebherr piling and drilling machines offer another important advantage. They can be dismantled and made ready for transport in a very short time and without the need for an auxiliary crane. For this purpose, the leader is turned to the side and lowered backwards onto the upper carriage. In order to minimize the length for transportation, the leader is unscrewed and moved apart. The design of the screw connection is such that all necessary parts remain on the machine. Afterwards, the lower part of the leader is turned to the right side by the turning device. The upper part of the leader is pushed forward by the vertical travel cylinder, so that finally both leader parts are positioned next to each other on the upper carriage. This efficient method allows all leader parts to remain on the machine, which reduces assembly time and transportation costs to a minimum. The construction of a new container terminal at Hamburg Harbor requires a complex system of raked and vertical piles to provide a stable base. The 46-meter-long raked anchor piles are driven into the ground by a Liebherr LRH 400 swinging lead. The LRH 400 is mounted on a hydraulic crawler crane from the HS series and is equipped with a hydraulic hammer. This is again a complete system offered by Liebherr. The Liebherr crawler crane is equipped with an additional hydraulic system for the hydraulic hammer and the hammer winch, which is mounted on the leader. Only one operator controls the whole piling procedure from his cab. For high inclinations, hammers with hydraulic accelerators are used to reinforce the piling performance. With some additional parts, the Liebherr piling rig LRH 400 can also be used as a hanging lead. The hanging lead can be rigged with a 38 or 45 meter leader and is suitable for driving and extracting vertical piles 38 meters long. In Bremerhaven, a connecting channel lies between the River Weser and the Kaiserhafen harbor in order to prevent the silting up of the harbor basin. This means vertical and raked piles have to be driven into the harbor ground. For this job, the contractor chose two Liebherr piling rigs type LRH 200 and LRH 400, mounted on two Liebherr crawler cranes. These piling rigs, one hanging lead for vertical piling and one swinging lead for raked piling, offer ideal qualities for the work in water due to the high lifting capacity of the basic machines, high outreaches and consequently large working areas can be achieved. Frequent maneuvering of the barge can be avoided and valuable time is saved during piling. The sensitive control system on Liebherr crawler cranes is especially advantageous when operating on a barge and offers a high level of safety. Moreover, all piling rigs of the LRH series can be operated as hanging leads or swinging leads. A Liebherr front-end drilling rig LD22, mounted on a Liebherr crawler crane from the HS series, is employed for making the foundation of a multi-story building in Singapore. It is equipped with a telescopic Kelly bar and produces drilled piles without casings of 1,000 millimeters in diameter and with a depth of 70 meters. The drilling rigs of the LD series are powered solely by the hydraulic system of the basic machine. No extra engine is necessary. This concept saves fuel and reduces the need for maintenance. In order to accelerate the progress of the drilling work on site, the LD drilling rigs are equipped with a powerful crowd system. A particular advantage of the LD drilling rigs is that they can be quickly dismantled, allowing the crawler crane to be used for other applications. With its hydraulic crawler cranes from the HS series and its piling and drilling machines from the LRB, LRH, and LD series, Liebherr offers a wide range of extremely strong and efficient machines for various special foundation jobs. Thus, thanks to the latest technology from Liebherr, the ideal product for every application is available to perform tasks with the highest efficiency and economy. Increased efficiency through advanced design. Liebherr.